Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video to do today. We're gonna look at both of these items and then I'm gonna do separate videos on them. We're just gonna take one out the box, check them out. Some Dewalt SDS rotary hammer accessories, so please stick around. Check out the video and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going today? Alright, so I picked up both of these Dewalt Perform and Protect items yesterday. These are normally like $100 and up. I got them, they were at Lowe's, at my normal Lowe's. Found them in the discount section. I got them for $24 a piece. This one up here is Delta 25301 Delta. And this one, big large one down here, is Delta Whiskey Henry 050 Kilo. And so we're gonna just, in this video, we're gonna talk about the bigger kit. And then we'll do, on this one right here, we will do a separate video on. Just to make it easier so these videos aren't as long. So this is a large hammer dust extractor. Again, it is Delta Whiskey Henry 050 Kilo, or Kelly. So information on the back, it says it aids in dust collection contaminants, a perform and protect feature, 2 interchangeable drilling heads, one for holes up to 1.5 or 38.1 millimeters, and one for holes up to 2 inch. That is 50.8 millimeters. Tough rubber seal, allows for adhesive to most masonry surfaces. 2-hole cleaning nozzle, match nozzle to hole size, fits DeWalt universal hose connector, which allows for quick connection to a hose and swivel capability. This kit includes the 5/16 or 7.9 millimeter hole cleaning tube, the 9/16. You can pause it if you guys like. Comes with the 9/16 or 14.3 millimeter hole cleaning tube. Comes with the 1.5 or 381 millimeter hole drilling head attachment, and the 2-inch 50.8 millimeter hole drilling head attachment and dust extractor body. It was not bad, 24 bucks. I did check the price to make sure. It did pop up as $24, so I grabbed it. It was the only one they had. They also had the dust shroud that you can put on your grinders, 5-inch grinders. I don't necessarily need that one though, so I didn't grab it. But I'll get this out the box and get the box out the way. I actually have another Dewalt case like this. That case is the old corded it's the old corded heat gun. It's a nice little case. I just popped off the zip tie that was there. Got your little instruction booklet, which is useful if it's needed. Rubber seal. It's definitely a nice little unit. These will definitely come in handy when I'm using my SDS hammer. Here's the 1.5-inch head. This guy right here is the 2-inch head. Push this button in, it pops the head off. No big deal. And you can put the 2-inch head right there if you wanted. Leave this one on here. It's a very, very nice unit. So you can leave whatever head you're using the most at the time on here. No big deal at all. 2-inch head fits there a little snugger, which is not bad. It's nice that you can put either one there. So this is so you can attach it to a brick wall and a vacuum, and what it will do when you're drilling, it will suck, the vacuum will actually suck through this ring right here, and it will physically go through the tube and into your vacuum. That's what this is for. So when you're doing large holes on concrete or masonry or brick, whatever you're doing, you can even put this on the ground if you're drilling holes into concrete slabs, and it will make less dust. That's what this is for. It's nice that it comes with majority of all the attachments. This guy right here is the 5/16 hole cleaning tube. This guy right here is the 9/16 hole cleaning tube. You would stick this directly on the vacuum. That's what these quick couplers are for. And I'll show you, I actually have one of those attachments. Like this guy right here. You can thread this onto your vacuum because it's got threads. And then this has the 3 ball bearing detent in it. You could just slide these on. And it locks in place. That's what that's for. So you can quickly attach these to a hose, clean the hole out. That's what I like these. And this actually fits really well on my Milwaukee because you can thread this adapter onto the Milwaukee and some of the flex volt Dewalts. There you go. See the threads inside? So you would spin this counterclockwise on, it will thread onto the hose. 1 1/4 inch hose. So everything in this kit's really nice. I will definitely be doing a lot more videos on it. This kit was definitely dusty. It's been sitting at that Lowe's for probably a while now. I couldn't pass it up for the price. That price is not a lot at all. 24 bucks for something that is normally 99 and up is not a bad deal. And it comes with the instructions and everything. It's a nice little kit. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys want to know more about this kit, let me know. I'll more than likely be doing a couple demo videos on it as well in the future. It's Dog Whiskey Henry 050 Drilling Dust Extraction System. And on the box it says Dog Whiskey Henry 050 Kilo with a K. It's a nice little kit. Definitely a nice tool to add to the arsenal. And the other one I picked up might actually fit in this box, so I can just leave everything in this box. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. I do also want to say thank you to all the subscribers, all the non-subscribers, all the people that just watch the channel, all the people that use the affiliate links. It totally helps. It helps a ton. Allows me to bring stuff like this to the channel. The channel actually paid for this kit as well as that kit. They were both $24 a piece. Not bad at all. Definitely will be doing some concrete stuff with my Milwaukee SDS rotary hammer. Maybe I'll pick up one of the new FlexVolt SDS hammers that they're also now selling the 15 amp hour battery with. Probably going to be picking up a couple of those 15 amp hours for my 1800 watt inverter that Dewalt makes as well. which is a beast. So I do appreciate you guys watching. If you guys aren't subscribed and you like to see unique tools like this, please smush the bell notification icon. This is a perform and protect tool, which is OSHA compliant, NOM compliant, and NACE compliant, which are all on the bottom of the box. Right there. The UL compliant, CSA compliant, ANSI standards, OSHA, NOM, and ANCE. It's a nice little kit. I hope this guys was informative for you guys. We'll definitely be using it soon. I do like the hose coming out right here is pretty stiff. It's got a little bit flexibility, but it's pretty stiff. And that also has the quick connect on it as well. So if this is threaded onto my hose already, I can just twist this on and it's locked, doesn't come off. So that's nice. I do like that it comes with the quick connects. But that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Please like, comment, and subscribe as always. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!